So I came for the teeth cleaning and an IV treatment. So the teeth cleaning went really well because I haven't cleaned my teeth in a couple of months. I usually have my teeth cleaning done in Dubai, but since I'm permanently here for now, and I've heard about, whitening lightning, and it's very much talked about, and I said, ooh, I better come and have a look and see what their service is about. So the people that actually did my cleaning, they were very careful. They were very thorough as well in terms of, my scaling and everything. So, hey, all natural. But yeah, they did a good job cleaning. And for the IV, the doctor that had, done my cocktail, she explained what I was lacking. So initially they did a, nutrient analysis. And that's basically me putting my hand on this machine. It was very cool. And they were checking with electrical waves, what sort of nutrients my body and like vitamins that my body's lacking. And they drafted that out and we talked about what I was lacking. And yes, so the IV treatment, they boosted me up. They boosted me up with the IV treatment in terms of what my nutrients were lacking. Already I kind of feel good. I know it's going to take a couple of days to actually really balance in, but I'm already feeling very good. And it's something I'm going to be more conscious about because I lack consistency. So I have to be conscious with my IV treatment. But overall, so good. I'm loving it. And I think you should try it too.